We are continuing with the use of fundamental counting principles in probability. Here's a word problem. The Royal Eagles Football Club has 2 matches to play in the local league. There are 3 possible outcomes in each match. The team can win, the team can lose, or the 2 teams can draw. List all possible outcomes. The outcomes can be written as a win-win, or a win-lose, or a win-draw, and so on. You may use a tree diagram to determine this. You can use a tree diagram let's use a tree diagram first. That will give us a very good guidance. Okay. This is a tree diagram. It's a win, it's a draw, and a lose. Okay, so a draw or a win and lose. So this is the first match. This is the first match. If this team in the first match wins, so what is left in the second match? In the second match, it might win, or it might draw, or it might lose. These are the 3 possibilities that it might happen. It might win the first match. If it has won the first match, second match, the possibility is that it can win or it can draw. The chances are that it can win, it can draw, and can lose. If it has drawn in the first match, there's a likelihood that it can win the second match. There is also a likelihood it might also draw or lose. Those are the chances that might happen. If it has lost the first match, in the second match it might win or draw or lose. Okay? So let's look at the outcomes. It's a win. Those are likely outcomes, possible outcomes. Win, draw, a win, lose, a draw, win. and a draw, and a draw, and a draw, and a loss, and a loss, and a win, a loss, and a draw, and a loss, and a loss. So those are possible outcomes. Now the question is, how many different outcomes could be obtained? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 outcomes that can be obtained. How many different outcomes can be obtained? Yes, there are 9 outcomes. Now, what is the probability that the team may win or lose both matches? Let's have a look. There is this scenario. It might win both, it might lose both. So the possible outcomes, the probability that it might win both or lose both is 1/9 for winning, or losing is also 1/9, and this eventually gives us 2/9. So the probability is 2/9, which is 2/9 is, in decimal fraction, is 0,222 to 2 decimal places. 0,22. So that is the probability. So here is a problem that I want you to solve. It's almost same problem. The Royal Bears Club has 3 matches to play in the local league. There are 3 possible outcomes in each match. The team can win, the team can lose, or the 2 teams can draw. The 3 teams, because there are 3 matches, 3 teams can draw. The 3 teams can draw. List all possible outcomes. These are the possible outcomes: win, 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 lose, win, win, draw, lose, so on. You may use the trigger. How many different outcomes be obtained, and what is the possibility? What is the probability that it may win at least one match? At least one match. So I hope you have enjoyed this activity. Keep watching my videos. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you.